Hey guys, so it's our third day in Langkawi, and we are about to go for a jet ski burl. It's about, I think it was 190, so about 55 bucks for half an hour. So yeah, that'd be cool. We're going to head out over to that island. See behind me there, and there's another island over there. Yeah, just go for a fang around. I'm going to take Chelsea on the back, and it should be fun. Alright, see ya.
We're just about to go on our jet ski ride for half an hour. It's pretty hot, so we thought we'd do it this morning.
Hey guys, so we just went for the jet ski ride. That was sick. Got Chelsea on to ride it as well, and yep, she did good. Yeah, good on you, Chelsea. Yeah, it was good fun. She was getting chatted up by the guy who runs the jet ski thing. It was pretty funny. He told her he loves her and calls her baby. Anyway. Yeah, we're having a good time, and it's unreal. Alright, cheers guys, see ya.